Hi guys, welcome to Real Estate with Prime Realty, and today I am at Lakeside and I'm about to take you on a tour to this 3-bedroom house. Yes, 3-bedroom seated on a 40 by 100 plus size, and yes, it's a classic house, 1.8 million Ghana cedis, and this house can be yours. This one is sold, but there's a second option available. Yes, there's one more available to go, but let's take a tour through this one to give us a feel of what you are getting if you buy this next one right here. Come along. On the front end, we have a front porch that gives us enough space to park, sit a 6-seater dining set. You have enough space at the front end to park 4 cars comfortably, depending on the size of the cars that you have, or you can do 3. Then you have a planter with these palms right here, a static glass that flows. Gives you a see-through feature into the master bedroom, giving the master or the primary suite visibility at the front end of the property. Now let's go into the main hall space. Coming through this 1.5 security door, you enter this main hall space right here. Hall and dining, ideally about 40 square meters or more. You have your main hall space here. You set up your dining. Right opposite the dining area, we have your kitchen, the open kitchen. But the beauty about the kitchen is because it's open, most people don't prefer the open. You can ideally block this out at this end. That's why this pillar has been left, or this doorway has been left for you to create your own door if you want to. It comes with your microwave oven, 4-burner gas stove with an extractor hood, faucet sink with a faucet tap right here, and preparation for your double door fridge. Your pantry room right here at the back end of the fridge area. Then we have on this end, you have your powder room right there. Yes, that's the powder room. Then we have 2 secondary units. I like this strip light feature. It's a good space for a photo spot. You can put a nice painting right there. Then we have one of the secondary units right here. Comes with your built-in closet, top and bottom storage space. Then you have about 25 square meters or more. Yes, of bedroom space. Then we come to the bathroom area. Standard standing shower right here. It comes with your floating sink right here with storage underneath. The top mirror cabinet comes as a storage space as well. Then when you open this, there's storage at the back end, and a rack for hanging your towel, or yes, for cleaning your hand towels, basically. WC at the back. Let's go to the master bedroom or the primary suite. Same mirrored right here. Then we go over to the primary suite right here. Come along. Welcome to the primary suite, where your CCTV camera installation has already been done for you. You have about 30 square meters to work with in here. It comes with your built-in closet space right here. Check out the space on the right and left. We have enough storage space, top and bottom as well. Then you open this door that leads you to the master bathroom space right here. It comes with your standard standing shower, but different. This is a different type. It's a pressure pipe shower. If there's another name for it, you can let me know in the comment section. Then you have your oval bowl wash and basin right here with your round mirror with lighted feature as well. It comes lighted at the back end. Yes, and your black black coated toilet seat right here. So that's about it for the tour. If you are interested in owning this house right here, 1.8 million Ghana cedis, or its dollar equivalent, and this property can be yours. Yes, give us a call on any of the numbers on your screens. Catch you on the next one. This is Real Estate with Prince. Bye bye.